All right, so we have some reading to do today. You guys can go ahead and read along with me on the video, or you can read this in your SLAG. We're going to be reading and then answering 2 questions on the following slide. So before we read, let's read our questions so that we know what we're looking for. It says minerals, according to the text, are defined as, so we're looking for the definition of minerals. And our second question is, why are physical properties useful in identifying minerals? So we're going to go ahead and get started reading. And remember, we're trying to answer those 2 questions. So minerals. A mineral is a solid, non-living substance found in rocks. Minerals have their own physical properties. This makes it easier to tell them apart. Minerals are made of elements. An element is a pure substance that cannot be broken down into a simpler substance by chemical means. Gold is an element, as are aluminum, oxygen, hydrogen, and iron. Some minerals are made of a single element. Others are made of 2 or more elements. So let's go ahead and check back with our questions. Did we answer what minerals are? Did we find the definition of minerals? Make note of that so that you can answer it on the next slide. Maybe circle it in your SLAG as you're reading along, or remember what it says on the screen. Next, we have properties of minerals. There are about 3,800 known minerals. Each mineral has its own properties. A physical property is any property that can be measured or described. Some mineral properties include color, streak, luster, hardness, and crystal shape. The color of a mineral is the color that shows on the mineral surface. Samples of the same mineral can have different colors. Hematite, for example, includes red, black, brown, and silver-gray varieties. Streak is the color of the powder left when the mineral is rubbed on a rough surface. All varieties of hematite leave a red streak. For this reason, streak is generally a better identifying property than color alone. So now on the next 2 slides, you're going to answer this question first and then this question.